Lost Riders. Lyrics written and told by Slađa Ćurić. The darkness got slit by the light. Lightning broke the sky. Under our feet lays the lonely night, torn apart. I was caught by the spark in your eye. You pulled me closer, and we just stood there, like two lost riders under the endless sky. The thunder rolls through the broken night. I see our naked souls hugging in the light. We are just two lost riders, united by the heart. Zalutali jahači. Stihove napisala i govori Slađa Ćurić. Svjetlo reže tamu, munje kidaju nebo. Pod našim nogama leži usamljena noć, rastrgana. Zarobila me iskra u tvom oku, privukao si me bliže i samo smo stajali, kao dva zalutala jahača ispod beskrajnog neba. Gromovi se kotrljaju kroz polomljenu noć. Vidim naše ogoljene duše kako se grle na svjetlu. Mi smo samo dva zalutala jahača, srcem spojena.